Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm Glory NG. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based here in the city of Abuja. Yeah guys, so you guys always know me for makeup, lifestyle and other things, but I decided to post this video here because I wanted to share with you guys my recipe on making shawarma. Yeah guys, so I'll be making shawarma today and I want to carry you guys along. So the first thing I did was to cut my chicken and place it in a pan that has heated oil. I added cinnamon sticks, I added chopped garlic, chopped ginger and chopped onions, and I stirred it. Yeah guys, stirred it. And the secret to great cooking and tasty food is low heat, guys. Nobody is chasing you. Always cook on low heat. You're going to enjoy the food better. So I went further to add my spices. I added curry, I added thyme, I added my nut cubes, I added ginger powder, and I added black pepper. Here this is me adding dark soy sauce and some butter. Yeah guys, I am building as much flavor as I have at home right now. So this is just me allowing everything to cook together, the juice of the chicken, the flavor to enter each other and get ready to be consumed. Yeah guys, so this is just me stirring it together, stirring. So I'm about to mix up my cream, my shawarma cream. So first I am adding my mayonnaise. I'm using Bama, so I added some Bama into the plate. I went further to add ketchup. I added black pepper. I added lemon water, lemon juice. So this is just me doing all that I have said. And I also added a secret ingredient to my mixture. Do you guys want to know what that ingredient is? Okay, watch to the end and maybe I would reveal the secret ingredient. So yeah, this is just me adding all that I mentioned. I'm going to stir it together till I get the consistency I want. Yeah, so stir. Yeah, so I usually use just one shawarma bread for my shawarma. Some people use two, some people use one, but I use one. So what I do is I open up my shawarma bread into two. I'll be showing you in the video. So yeah, this is me opening up the shawarma bread into two. I do this so when I put the shawarma in my pan, it is going to be as crispy as possible because it is not thick, it is as light and flat as possible. So that was me frying my sausage. This is my vegetable. So vegetables, I use my purple cabbage, I use my white cabbage, and I use some carrots. I just grated all of them, and that's the vegetable I'm using. So here I'm taking my cream mixture, rubbing it a bit on the bread, adding my vegetable, the chicken and the cream mixed together into the bread. I also add my sausage and I will roll this up together. So the secret is make sure your first wrap covers everything. So this is my preheated shawarma pan. Guys, I made over 5 shawarmas today. Yeah, so this is my preheated pan and I'm going to be placing my shawarma inside the pan and I'm going to be turning it on all the surfaces till I have that crunchy crispy shawarma. Yeah, so guys, take a look at this goodness. The shawarma was creamy, it was tasty, it was yummy, and the bread was so crunchy. Guys, what else would you like me to show you guys on my channel? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.